Most people download apps thinking they are just another tool, but the surprising truth is that using Bending Spoon's apps incorrectly can waste time and limit results. Today, I'll show you how to use Bending Spoon's apps properly and avoid the beginner mistakes that cost you productivity and efficiency. Bending Spoons develops a range of apps for photo editing, fitness, meditation, and more. One common mistake beginners make is treating these apps superficially. For example, a photo editor app might have dozens of advanced filters and AI tools, but skipping tutorials or preset guides often leads to poor results. Take the time to explore each feature; it pays off. Another mistake is ignoring updates. Bending Spoons frequently releases updates that improve performance and add new features. Many users continue using outdated versions, missing critical bug fixes or enhancements. Enable automatic updates to stay current. Title start how to use Enhank Resume Builder. Honest review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you title BNE script start Most people think building a resume is just about filling in job experience and skills, but the surprising truth is that using Enhank incorrectly can actually make your resume less effective. Today, I'll show you how to use Enhank properly and avoid the beginner mistakes that cost you interviews. Enhank is a modern resume builder that allows you to create visually appealing, customized resumes while highlighting your unique achievements. A common mistake beginners make is choosing flashy templates without thinking about readability. While a creative layout can stand out, too many graphics or colors can distract recruiters. The key is balancing style with clarity. Another mistake is overloading the resume with responsibilities instead of measurable results. Enhank encourages you to focus on achievements. For example, instead of writing managed a sales team, write led a sales team of 10, increasing revenue by 25% in 1 year. Numbers and outcomes make your experience tangible and memorable. Many beginners also overlook the personal story or highlight sections. These areas allow you to showcase personality, skills, and values. Ignoring them is a missed opportunity to differentiate yourself. Take a few minutes to fill these sections thoughtfully. They can be the element that gets you noticed. Incorrect formatting is another trap. Even though Enhank handles layout automatically, copying and pasting content from Word or Google Docs can break spacing or alignment. Always use the platform's text editor and review the resume in PDF format before sending. Finally, failing to tailor your resume to each job is a common mistake. Enhank makes it easy to adjust sections for different positions, but beginners often send the same resume to every employer. Customize skills, keywords, and achievements to match the job description. This significantly improves your chances of passing applicant tracking systems and impressing recruiters. In short, to use Enhank properly, choose readable templates, focus on achievements, complete the personal highlights, check formatting, and tailor for each application. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your resume won't just look good, it will get results. Subscribe for more honest reviews and expert tips to create resumes that actually land interviews.